Amichikituru memamvatake adabarokobemu. Ni banua. Sangkarame inatol sa ulo na matanitu. Na matanitu ba Asia? Na matanitu muni nga babaswi karaledo.
Barang kalau mungkin orang tak kaya day. Sa chiko sa kanakyan yung maling-maling daw sa siya kalita ka sa kachiko. Wa sa kanang nang tulong-tulong mesong sa kachiko may nanong nabiba kalumatay. Karami sa katubo bila kanang mas kasakot may nagarami.
Honorable parliamentarians from the 30 countries here represented. Your Excellencies and members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Isambulunak and a very good morning to you all. At the outset, let me express my humble gratitude. I deem it an honor and great privilege to be invited to be with you here this morning as we open the 5th meeting of the Asia-Pacific Parliamentarian Forum on Global Health. To our visitors, thank you for gracing our shores with your presence. On behalf of government and all Fijians, I would like to say Bula Naka, welcome to Fiji, and I wish you well the next couple of days as you deliberate on a very important topic which affects us all, and that is climate change. I know that you will be addressing how to mitigate, and I'd like to thank each and every one of you coming to help us draw the attention of the rest of the members of the world to the impact of climate change to Fiji, to the region, and to the world. Now this time last week, our government leaders met in Funafuti, Tuvalu, to talk about the same issue. Now this week we've taken it further. We're now going to address how it impacts on health. For your information, Fiji, like the rest of our friends in the Pacific, are experiencing and witnessing the adverse impact of climate change on the way how we live our lives. And I'm speaking to you not only in my capacity as the President Head of State, but as a national champion in the fight against NCDs and related ailments. Sadly, we are losing too many of our people. And the impact of climate change is going to make it more difficult and more challenging. So on that note, I'd like to wish you well as you deliberate over the next couple of days. Our thoughts and our prayers are with you. And for those of you who are here for the first time, enjoy the typical Fijian Bula spirit. Enjoy the hospitality of our people. and I wish you a happy stay and a safe return to your home countries. And on that note, I'd like to conclude, if you excuse me, I would like to thank the chiefs and the people of the Vanuatu Rangonani in the vernacular. Sa kiusakan na turanga momo rama Vanuatu Rangonani. Kani marau kandu kai viau enda mai sota. Nasa valeu na pwedeng ko ibig sa valeu na may Rangonani. Nasa valeu na rikinawa iwaturanga sa may maduro itam tanikuha. Ito ka kaumna kinavaleu. Sanga ni Indonesia naka, sudah na mos naka rangi na dolarus kena, tanam ni lama ni bikawitaki. Itu mas, mani ni binaka ni nakalawang tajuk. Aturan marami ni mana aturan nanti. Sama ni tiko ndo na bos ni babi naka, bos ni bambu la ber na do bulay. Ndo wachun matan ko sa may basato ang kirliw, tabay.
Ready? Okay. Okay. Right. Ready. 2, 3. Smile. Mula smile. Mula. Okay. Thank you.
Come in, please. All the rest of the delegates and members are able to take a picture with the honorable members and the